Mic check. Boom, boom in the room. All right. Mic is good and crispy. Camera. Camera is cameraing. Daytime still functioning. All right. Intro in 3, 2. Good afternoon, everybody. It's Monday, December 9th, 2024, and welcome to another Advent of Code. Day number 9. I am so far behind. Is not even funny. If you caught my stream yesterday, I didn't even finish part 1 of day 8. Day 7 still not done. Day 4 isn't, and I need the second part of day 5. I haven't finished. I am oh, I am, yeah, I'm super far behind. But we're gonna start the day off with day 9, part 1. So let's get to it. Alrighty. Day 9, Disc Fragmenter. Another push of the button leaves you in the familiar hallways of some friendly amphipods. Good thing you have to bring it to me. Good thing you each somehow got your own personal mini submarine. The historians jet away in search of the chief, mostly by driving directly into walls. While the historians quickly figure out how to pilot these things, you notice an amphipod in the corner struggling with his computer. He's trying to make more contiguous free space by compacting all the files. But his program isn't working. You offer to help. He shows you the disk map, the puzzle input. He's already generated, for example, 2, 3, 3, okay, yeah, string of numbers. The disk map uses a dense format to represent the layout of files and free space in the disk. The digits alternate between the length of a file and the length of free space. So a disk map like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would represent one file block, 2 free space blocks, a 3-block file, a 4-block free space, and a 5-block file. The disk map like 90909 would represent 3 9-block files in a row with no free space in between. Each file on a disk also has an ID number based on the order of the files as they appear before they are rearranged, starting with ID 0. So the disk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has 3 files: 1 block file ID 0, a 3-block file ID 1, and a 5-block file ID 2. Using one character for each block, where digits are the file ID and dot is the free space, the disk map 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 represents these individual blocks: 0 dot dot 1 1 1 dot 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 2 2 2 2 2. The first example above, which is going to be our test case, which is 2 3 3 3 1 3 3 1 2 1 4 1 4 1 3 1 4 0 2, represents these individual blocks. Boop, boop. All right, so the amphipod would like to move file blocks one at a time from the end of the disk to the leftmost free space blocks until there are no gaps remaining between block files. So for the disk map 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the process would go do. Interesting. Okay, that seems simple. Okay. Hold on a minute, folks. My son is just, oh, children. Aluminum. Oh. All we had to do was bring him over. I'd start him, but no. Okay, the final step of this file compacting process is to update the file system checksum. Calculate the checksum, add up the result of multiplying each of these blocks positioned within the file ID number it contains. The leftmost block is in position 0. If a block contains free space, skip it instead. Continuing the first example, the first few block positions multiplied by their ID is 0, 0. Zero, 2 times 9. Two, 3. Okay. Alrighty, so where is it? New empty project. Set a startup. Okay, now we can. I've got so many windows open. Save our input file. Save. All right, data check. A new one, cause case text. All right, there's our test case. Let's bring in our actual input file. It's one single continuous line that goes up to really 20,000 characters. Ooh. Oh yeah, let's. All right, so it looks like we need a new. Well, actually, we don't have to. We could just do max buffer and just add it. Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, that's a ticket. Don't worry about that. Okay, now let's make. All right, let's get our tool set. Arg C, Arg V. 0. Compiling, compiling. There we go. All right, we got that set up. Let's get some tunes. All right. Good start. Koku na tenchi no teze. Da 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 dinke da 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 da. Unani do nara. Oteru no shio arimare. Saiga. E por eso. Usei. Okay, so add a new class. We're gonna call it disk drive. Chick click boom. All right, make sure y'all can. Okay, you can see that fine. Za koku na tenchi no teze. Okay, so our class. Za koku na tenchi no teze. La 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 la. Ooh, okay, so I want to I gotta load. Gotta label files. Shoot down. Next ID. Pigs in a blanket. Yeah, I can make the Velveeta. Tell me when will I see smile again? 'Cause I know I messed up, baby. Know you better. Sure. Hey, hey. My son's like, stop singing. Never. That's our constructor. Okay, so we got to label the files. Each one of them void. Don't hurt the one you love. Okay, we're going to load the disk map, then we're going to label the files, and then we're going to defragment the drive. Then we're going to unsign int. This should probably be a long, just in case. 20,000 characters. Yeah, just in case. Unsigned long. Checksum. Is that right? Resulting file system checksum. Okay. Okay, so we've got our our file ID generator. That's the m underscore unnext ID. Let's call this. So we're gonna need the raw data. So let's call this raw disk map. Then we're gonna need one that is disk map. I want the raw data. Then I want to generate this string from the raw data. want a girl. Share my world and count the stars above. I want a girl. It's in love. This is going to be a big ass string. This might blow up in my face, ladies and gentlemen. Just might blow up in my face. Okay, so let's just call this. This is blocks, and this is gonna. What do you call it? Because it's going to be the disk map blocks that we will defragment. So what we'll do is that. Ooh. Girl lives up to this on my list. Girl, you need to know this. I want a girl like you to keep the feeling new. I wanna make the world. That's alright. Yeah, I wanna kiss your lips. I wanna hold you close to keep me new. I love you, and your love is all I ever need. Preferably in a residential area. Need to know this, baby. I want the. I want you, baby, if that's alright with. I want a girl that keeps me do anything you want me to. We're gonna have a map. It's where we're gonna store. The file ID is gonna be the key, and the. I love you. Want a girl like you. You keep me tonight. I wanna make. Ooh, ow. Sorry, each. Yeah. So this map is going to be the key is going to be the file ID, and the what it's going to store is the that digit. Those are always 0 through 9, right? Yeah, they'd have to be. That file would get ugly fast. It'd get fugly. Yeah, the alternate digits. So no file can be bigger than 9. So block sizes from 0 to 9. Okay. How much you even care? Oh, hush, brave. And you feel it. I think that's all I need for now. And where you go when the master frown? Where she stands alone. Whoa, whoa. All right. Let's write us a class, shall we? Did it include the CPP file? Yeah, it did. And I feel much depends on the weather. Where you going to that room when I see these are the eyes of misery. But would you even care? Whoops. Oh, what you bitching about? I was gonna say, don't be bitching. Okay, so the only thing we need to really do in the constructor is we need to set that to 0. Where you going when the master found? And I fear when the dogs begin to smell her. Where she stands alone. Falsy false. Oh. Rhaine, get rid of all your semicolons at the end of your thingies, you dumb idiot. You dumb idiot. Sorry, I'm very self deprecating. Bad trait. Okie dokie, so let's load us. Let's load us a disk map, shall we? Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, this should always return true. Then the last thing we're going to print out is all right. So let's go ahead and to find it, to find it, to find it. Eric file name. I did that last night too. And then what is it? I did it yesterday too in load thine map. No, I wanted the definition, not the forward. All right, there we go. I need to do an is open. If not fin.is open, then we did not find the file. Oh, no, 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 no. Rhaine did it again. Ow! Gonna set this to max buffer. Hey! Rhaine's an idiot. Sarah. Oh, no. Sarah, Sarah. No time is a good time for goodbye. No, I wanted you to autocomplete that. Why, IntelliSense? Why? My leg! That's the one thing that I look forward to with AI is AI enhanced IntelliSense. Or at least better IntelliSense. Come on. Sarah. Whoa, Sarah, Sarah. No time. Whoops. Raw disk map plus equals arc buffer. Hurt me more, Sarah. Whoops. All right, so that should load our disk map, but I realized that I need a happy endings it makes too. Sarah, Sarah, no time is a good time for Sarah, Sarah. Well, checksum doesn't have to modify anything, but label files and defragment drive do have to change things. So Sarah, Sarah, arms brewing in your eyes. Dirk. Why do I keep spelling Dirk? Derek, I love you. Should be raw. Disk map. All right. So let's go to our lovely, lovely, lovely. Save everything. I wasn't holding the shift key. I'm sorry. So let us create a disk drive. Call it drive because I'm unoriginal. Ease up, easy down. Come on, turn up the sound. What? Namiye. Master T. Situation. Where we going? Where we going? I do still need to do that. Duh. I wanna say no. Stop your grumping. Thank you. All right. We are going to call load disk map on test case. Test cast. Yes. Casting my arcane digital spells. Begin. Load successful. Excellent. So let's load the file Yo Mama. Yo Mama. Because we're funny. Wow, wow. I could find the file. Shut up. Don't judge my English. All right, we loaded. Every day, every morning, I thank the Lord for the kindness of your love. Every day, every morning, I thank the Lord. All right, looks good. All right, our disk map is loaded into the memories. I've been loving it, loving it. I've been loving it, loving it, loving it. I've been loving it, loving it. I've been loving it, loving it. I've been loving it, loving it, loving it. What? Every day, every morning, I thank the Lord about for the kindness of your love. Every day, every morning, I thank the Lord about for the sweetness of your love. Bye bye. All right, so let's start with the load the labels. Label the files. Got to label files. Got to label them bad files. Bad files for not self sorting, you bastards. Okay, so I say we go through it first. Let's get the length of our OG raw disk map. Let's go through, start. Just gonna call it header. We're gonna start at 1. We're gonna go and while header is less than the length, we're gonna go header plus 2 plus 2. Let me make sure I'm doing that right. Kiss me, pretty baby. Touch me all over. Girl, what makes you think you can do me? Do you think you can do me? Yeah. Let's label those files. Shut up. I'll let your hair down. There we go. Leave on your shoes. 1, 3. How you doing? She's a my side. I like to do the wild thing. Action took place. Hey! The hop, the wild. Sometimes I love it in the evening, baby. Yeah. You do me all over. Yeah, yeah. Okay, 19. So that's 18. So that'd be 7. Yep. Okay. Looks like I'm going through it properly. To the jacuzzi. Ooh, that booty. Wrapped up, flip it, rub it down. No, no. Okay, so this is where we modify the not the map. Rhaine can't. This is why I keep my header files on the right. It won't let me do it. Or will it? Yeah, no. Wait a minute. Visual Studios let you do that. What the flip? It used to let you do vertical and look. Man, Microsoft. Slacking bastards. That's right. I'm calling you out, Microsoft. Disk map blocks. Okay, yeah, that's the one I want to. Dot disk map dot push back raw sub 0. You can do me when you want to do me. Yeah, baby. Paste this stuff. Lost in the darkest of nights, so cold and standing alone before the battle's begun. Bright as the rays of the sun, got to believe in the power of love. Reaction. To the end. And this should be. Okay, so that's going to put the dots in for the space. We're going to do that first. Then if Whoosh back. Raw disk map. Header +1. Horrible. Why didn't that space that out? Did I do something wrong? Only watch the time go by. Promises of what I said to you. That's because it's a Sunday afternoon. We ran a summer trail only yesterday. You lied, promises of what I seem to be. Only watch the time go by. Promises. Oh, I never remember the songs right, unless I've heard them like 8.6 million times. No, not enum display monitor. What are you even showing me? For blue? You lied. That is wrong. Too many dots. Too many dots. Yesterday, you lied. Promises of what I seem to be. Only watch the time go by. All of these things I said to you. Don't do that. Okay, space equals 0, space equals whatever the current header is. So if the current header is 3, or at the current header, the value is 3. So let's do something stupid real quick. Yeah, that's right. We're just doing Oh, no, it was right. It's just the non-ASCII value for that character. Whoosh. Whoosh. Bloop. Is that ATOI? Argument of type basic string, aka char, is incompatible with. I'm not asking for. Sorry, flash bomb time. No, it's not math. It's int types. No. String into an integer. Oh, there is no function, is there? You have to like. Yeah, you have to do that by hand because no one thought to put that in the C libraries. I think, if I'm remembering correctly, I'll Google it though. So R2 int E plus plus. Zeros 48, 1 is, yeah. You use ATOI, but it has to be a string. Oh. So let's use static cast for that. Zero. Because we know we're not going to get no fuddy duddy stuff. Michael, if you want candy, hey, if you want candy, I can give you some. Well, you shouldn't eat it. You little turdlet. Okay, that should fix that. Yay! Okay, so we've got the free space. Now we need to gotta reuse header. We're gonna start at a 0 this time, and we're gonna go until header is while it's less than that, and it's still gonna be header plus equals times equals girl alive. Ow, ow, ow. Except we're going to increment. We're going to increment next ID as we go because this is going to be. So ID is going to equal next ID before the incrementation. We're just going to go in ID. Now, hold on now. And if I put a drink up, you won't even toast. Girl, so hard for you from 9 to 5. You can find the finer things in life. You should be giving me your heart too. Oh, acting just like a fool. You know it ain't cool. I don't be cruel. Girl. Yep, you're almost there, buddy. What do you need to change your attitude? Some candy too. What? What? Okay. Wait a minute. Do I even need to map that? I don't. We can save some memory. Goodbye. Don't have to do that. Oh. Oh? Could never find what? Okay. Do mod 2. A second. Okay. Need to change your attitude. No, don't be cruel. Okay, so if it's that I want you, Jackie. I want you more than human eyes can see. Be with me, Bobby B. Ooh, I did it again. And if you wanna be with me, don't be. 'Cause I would never be that cruel to you. Don't need that. Listen, all you mother truckers. All you Why are you frumping with my bitty boom? That's the name of the game. Hold on, I gotta rethink that one. Oop. Off by a letter. That's right. Hold on. I'll fix that in a minute. Where are you at? It's two string. Oh, so I have to do plus equals? Oh, yeah. Because I'm pushing a whole string. I don't have to do that anymore. Ooh, hey, Doctor Who, Doctor Who. All right, let's compare it. 201132333144 555 666 99. All right. So now all we have to do is defrag it. Doctor Who, Doctor Who. Hey, the TARDIS, Doctor Who. All right, so we're going to call defrag drive on drive. We obey no one. We are the superior beings. We are the superior. Okay, so let's create a first iterator called current, and that is going to sit at the end of our disk map blocks. Our begin. Then we're going to have a regular iterator. We're going to call it next free space. Okay, so here's the fun part. We can find the first available free space, and if it comes back at the end of the string, then we're done. Means there's no free space available. And my brain just kind of went kerclunky clunk. Hello, Rhaine. Oh, I can set next space. I can set it to the beginning of the string of the disk map blocks. Then while Okio girl, next free space does not equal that. Then, okay, that should get us the first available free space. But we want to do a check first. Next free space equals the end of the string. As many have tried to get near her deep in the heart of Tokyo. Talkability, Tokyo girl, you're a mystery. In Tokyo. Sweet as a baby. Taken. You rule the world, that shooting true top ability. Tokyo girl, you're a mystery. Oh, I can't find it. Gotta put it in scope, Rhaine. Gotta put it in the scope. All right. While header does not equal end of drive. Header if header does not equal free space. Oh, if it does equal, then you want to break. Otherwise, header plus plus. Where's it at? laid off. Let's roll. Wow, 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 now. Cause the whole world loves it if you go get down. Wow, wow. Wait, okay. Having thoughts here. Distance. Because I need to make sure if they're equal. Well, they should never be equal, I don't think. But just in case, if the distance is 0 or negative, we know that next free space has gotten ahead of the previous. So, but I want to check that. We do. Ah, I don't care about that. That's where I want to do it. Spit. Spit and rhyme. So if next free space current. Girls got reasons. They all got reasons. Iterator. Ray, what are you looking at? It was a sour girl the day that she left me. Oh, probably because she was a happy girl when she left me. Can I not do that? Do if I followed you. Okay, grumpy. Fine, I won't use. There. Are you happy? Hey, whoops. Wrong button again. Girl, when she lay, come on. What would you do? Woo, 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 woo. 39? What would you do? I should probably add some context to that. Bloop, 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 bloop. Hold on, we're just gonna. What is it? Control MO? There we go. Defragment drive. Let's put some context to that. What would you do? That's 42. Okay, like a dum-dum, I do kind of need to see. Happy girl, the day she left me. The day that she left me. So what is that? 0, 1, 2. Nope, that'd be right. Okay. All right. My wife's going insane. I love it. Boom, 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 ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, dum. Okay, so let's create an integer called check. While check is greater than 0, because once it's 0, we want to stop. 0 or a negative number. So while we do that, no, I want a character called buffer. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to save character value at current. And we're going to set current to next. No, wait. Yeah, that's right. Because then next free space is going to equal buffer. Okay, so that saves current, then turns current into a free space, and then makes free space buffer. Then we're going to do Wonder, should we just find a free space, got to the end, get the flip flop out, do the swap. Once we've swapped, okay, so then we should set check to the distance between next and current. Then we're gonna increment current, decrement current, because we're no longer a reverse iterator. Got to be free. Bum, bum, blah, blah, blah. Why do I do that? I can try to make life hard for myself. All right, it's going to be awesome and it's going to explode and not work right. Not going to work right. Damn it. To get the ow. Zero zero 9983138 all but that last one. So what's going on there? Oh, it was zero. Oopsies. All right, let's rethink this. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 bow, win, na, 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 na. It did it, but then it flipped it. Or did it flip the wrong thing? Okay, this is going to get ugly because I need to see. Okay, so free space was there, but then next was there. Is that 0? Ooh. No, I think I know what's going on. I need to do this at the very end of the loop. Oh, no, I'm wrong. Wait, why am I wrong? Say the word. Nagaru kedo. Say the word. No, not yet, honey. Orokawa to the beteka. Oh, hey, wait. Why are you all the way at the end? Say the word. What? Eat the sweet demo. There we go. So I'm trying to be all cute and adorable. I'm just waiting for you to say the word. All right. So we are now completely defragged. Ow. Ow. I'm being abused. Help me. All right. So we're done with the defrag. Now we got to do the checksum. Say the word. Drive dot checksum. That should come back with a big old fat write your damn thing, Rhaine. Oh, why did it even let me do that? Why did it? Well, I wasn't calling it. That's why. Okay. Length equals dot s disk disk map blocks dot length. Da, 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 da. I don't even have to do that, do I? I could just say while s disk map blocks sub I does not equal a period. Just keep going, and I can make this a lovely little integer. Cabbages! Oh, I really got to go to the bathroom. All right, folks, we're going to take a quick 5 minute, no, not even that long, maybe like 2 minutes. Hold on. Boop. Hold on. All right, be right back, folks. I gotta go pee. Alrighty. Yay, putty breakover. Alrighty. Where were we? Oh, yes, we're calculating. My friend. It's just blocks position multiplied by file ID number. Okay. Find along. We'll just call this buffer. And we'll go in and say buffer. There we go. So there's no silliness. Static cast. Disk map sub I minus then result plus equals buffer times I. Is the page 11 square thing 1928? I believe that matches with the test case. Good. Now, big explosion time. Are we all ready? Don't think we are. Input. Here we go, folks. Does it fail? Infinite loop. Infinite loop. It says only 20,000 characters. I'm doing 4,000 at a time. Oh, no. Right? Yeah, 20,000. That means it only has to do it 5 times. Oh, no. Oh, is this. I'm like brute forcing this, so it's like nasty, nasty. Betcha that's what's going on. Hold on. Oh, it's still reading it in. Do I even want to know? Interesting. Wait a minute. Before I do that, should I just be using Git? Or the end of file value if no characters are available. Okay. Because I'm saying get line. I was going to say get. Maybe. Okay, you'll get your turn on the computer. No, that's infinite too. Ooh. Wait a minute. What do you mean I could not find the file? Okay. tear aside. Okay. Woo, that's a big drive. Okay, let's see. Blip. So checksum. Here we go. First try. Clip, clop. Nope, too low. I hate it when it passes the test case, but then completely flirks up on the main input because the main input is so massive. It's like, oh, dare I even? This is gonna be ugly. Tell you right now, that does not look right. There should be no nines. Based on the order of the files as they appear. Oh, I didn't think of that. They know that they cry. They know that they cry. Ugh. That's mean. Okay, let me. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. She's never sad, she's never satisfied. I think my block should be a vector of strings and not a string. I think that solves my problem. So when I'm labeling here, instead of it being a string, Excuse me. Shijima Dono Nichimo Date. This map blocks. Having a conniption fit. Did I spell it wrong? Back disk map blocks. Disk map blocks. Thumb page down. Way to go, Rhaine. Okay. Because you don't know what a vector is. Let's disable those so they don't get called. Oh, you're still gonna bitch at me. Okay, I still am gonna need that map. And long of int. Yeah, because I'm still gonna need to keep track of the file ID number and the size of that file. So while I'm labeling, the truth get up from this shell. Okay, so then we can go here, say map file sizes, and ID times. That way we know at this file ID it's this many blocks. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Why didn't I think of that in the first place? Okay. Now I'm thinking even this is wrong. You know what? Let's go back. Okay. I'm sorry, folks. Yet another one I can't complete on stream. This is what happens when I try to think ahead and then think ahead improperly. So, yes. Thank you for the puppet show, sir. The people appreciate it. Okay. Don't hit the keyboard. Thank you. All right. Daddy needs to end his stream, though, so I can get dinner started. So don't hit the keyboard, please. Alrighty, folks. I apologize once again, but we will be back tomorrow with day 10. So until then, don't forget to catch us later on this evening where me and the missus will continue our journey in Fortnite. So until then, have a great rest of your day and or evening, and we hope to see you later this evening. Peace.